Fail.
Shut up.
Fail. Fail. Fail.
It's kind of stupid when you keep saying it and the blind people will think it's retarded.
This is my little brother.
No!
My father is gay. See? I mean, she likes to put her hair up. Yeah, see? You see the makeup? Yeah, perfect. Anyways.
No!
My father is gay. See? I mean, she likes to put her hair up. Yeah, see? You see the makeup? Yeah, perfect. Anyways. What the hell are you doing to your hair? My family is very weird, as you probably noticed. There will be more videos of this happening.
No, nothing, just handshake.
I got a fart! Hell. Aw, fart. Anyways, crazy video. Me and my friend went to Starbucks, and then we witnessed a guy stealing alcohol from the liquor store. See what else. We just came home, hung out, and then my friend had to get picked up by her dad. So after she left, all that crazy stuff with my dad and my brother have been going on and things. So now I'm gonna go get my laundry.
No!